Hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 105, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 206 reverse linked list. So this is an easy little problem. So let's see the problem statement first. So we have given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. Fine. So basically we have given a singly linked list and we have to reverse that like this, right? So in example one, we can see we have the initial linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after reversal, our linked list become is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the thing is, whatever we have the head node that went to the tail node. That's all. Okay. So similar example two, we have 1 and 2. Now after reversing, it becomes 2 and 1. So the thing is, you have to keep in mind here is like whatever pointer is currently heading toward the next of the head node, that we basically have to reverse to the previous values. That's all we have to do in this case, right? In order to reverse. And if it is empty, then it will remain as empty. So consider we have given the number of node in the list is in the range of 0 to 5,000, fine. And node value can be range from minus 5,000 to 5,000. So node value can be negative. It is not a non-negative value. It can be negative as well, right? So follow-up we have given is a linked list can be reversed either iteratively or securely. Could you implement both? So we are not going to implement both here. We are just going to one solution. Like I left recursive part for you guys. You can try recursive method. I'm just going to a simple approach with using iteration to just make the next pointer to the previous pointer. That's all. So what we're going to do here is we have to basically create one previous pointer, marking is initial as null, and then we are just reversing every next pointer to the previous one, right? So let's create a list node previous, okay, which is currently assigning it as null, right? And now we are just going to iterate in our given list till when head is not equals to null, right? So what we have to do is in case to mark the next pointer values to the previous one, we have to at least store it somewhere, right? So in order to store, we are going to create one temp node, okay, which basically going to store head dot next value, right? And now what we are going to do is we are just going to assign our head dot next to the previous one. So previous is null, right? Now, if we have assigned the current head next to the previous one, we are just now going to make our previous to the head one. So previous will become the head now, and head will become the temp value. Okay. So think in this way, like we have just reverted the this next pointer to the previous one, and whatever head is pointing to this one, we are just going to map this to the next pointer, right? So that's what we are going to do. So this iteration will happen, and reversing of the pointer will happen till we not reach the head equals null. So once we reach that, we are just going to return our previous pointer. So previous will be at the last, right? At the last node. Okay. Now let's submit and see. So yeah, as you can see, like our all three test cases is accepted. Now let's submit and see overall test cases as well. Okay, so it's accepted all 28 test cases and beats 100%. So our solution is quite optimal. As we are using the iterative like solution here, we can do it as using a recursive approach as well, right? So that is task for you. You can just do the reversal part using recursive idea and just comment it down. So yeah. And if we talk about time complexity here, so anyways, we are just going to iterate over each and every node values, right? So it is a big of n because we are doing iteration over each element, and space complexity anyhow we are just using constant space, so it is a big of one. Yeah, that's all for today. Let's see you next video. Bye.